Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, a mercy to mankind channel, Islam and Quran script date, 12th of September, 2023. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you, dear viewers. Welcome back to Islam and Quran. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss, the life and legacy of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, who is often referred to as a mercy to mankind. The life of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, is an inspiration for millions around the world. His character, teachings, and actions reflect the epitome of compassion and mercy. In this video, we will explore how he embodied these qualities throughout his life. 1. Early life. Let's begin with the early life of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. He was born in the city of Mecca in the year 570 CE. Orphaned at a young age, he grew up facing challenges but was known even then for his honesty and kindness. As a young man, he earned the nickname al-Amin, or the trustworthy, because of his impeccable character. This trustworthiness was a foundation for the mercy he would later bring to humanity. 2. Prophethood. At the age of 40, Muhammad, PBUH, received the revelation from Allah through the angel Gabriel. This marked the beginning of his prophethood, and he was chosen to deliver the message of Islam to humanity. Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, faced adversity and opposition as he spread the message of monotheism and peace. Despite the challenges, he continued to show mercy to those who opposed him, hoping they would embrace the message. 3. Mercy in daily life. The Prophet's life was a living example of mercy in action. He cared for orphans, showed kindness to animals, and treated everyone, regardless of their background, with compassion. One of the most beautiful incidents illustrating his mercy is the story of an old woman who used to throw garbage on him daily. When she fell ill, he visited her to inquire about her well-being, showing kindness even to those who had mistreated him. 4. Mercy in warfare. Contrary to common misconceptions, the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, showed mercy even during times of conflict. He established rules of engagement that prohibited the killing of civilians, women, and children. His approach was not one of aggression but of self-defense, and he always sought peaceful resolutions when possible. He prioritized reconciliation and forgiveness over revenge. 5. Legacy. Prophet Muhammad's, PBUH, legacy of mercy lives on today. His teachings continue to guide Muslims to be compassionate, just, and merciful in their daily lives. His emphasis on the importance of helping those in need, being kind to family members, and treating all people with respect has had a profound impact on the world. In conclusion, Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, truly was a mercy to mankind. His life and teachings inspire us to strive for kindness, compassion, and mercy in our own lives, making the world a better place. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH.